So, how soon do you want her to be flushed out?
Prepare to move. I will give you the signal as soon as time is right.
So, by what means do you want it to be executed? Is it going to be man clattering, accident, or by coincidental poisoning?
Let it be food poison. A gradual one. I will pay you the rest of your money into your accounts by tomorrow. But please, make sure nothing happens to my son. He's the only one I have.
You know I'm a professional. And I know how to execute my plans to perfection. That is why I'm called John Bull. I mean John the Bull.
I hope I can trust you.
For sure. In any case, I'll be waiting for final instructions for the next step to be taken. Alright. This meeting has come to a close.
Thank you.
What do you want from me?
Get up and stand. Let's get up. I've told you time and again that there is a vast difference between the rich and the poor. That is the reason why you cannot marry my son. Now look at yourself. Just be patient and look around you. Look around the house. Tell me, which of these things have you ever seen in your house or have you ever come across before? Tell me. This or that? Or the chairs? This or that? Have you ever seen some before? Huh? Then why are you rushing to come and then pump yourself into our lives? Like a tick. So take in cross, why at the same cross? Now, oh, bad, they say you moon, why we moja. You are money sucker, blood sucker, gold digger, open so over, but there's a one who sick our hands to over abity. And a man that won't be that in your life. That is the reason why you must keep away from my son. You don't match. Now, I want to give you an offer. How much do you want? 10 million? 20? 50 million? Or even 100 million? Name it. I'll give it to you. I'll pay you off. You can even travel outside the country with it and leave my son alone. It is an offer that I've given you. I want a reply from you. You are dumb? You cannot talk? Okay. Well, you are also in banana, the one, but Tracy. Hello, my dear. You've been dumbfounded for almost 10 minutes now. Have you come to a decision? No? Okay. Here you are. £5,000 sterling. Here, take it. You can go anywhere with it. You can buy anything that you want to buy and leave my son alone. Take it.
Mother, I have listened and observed all that you have done against me for loving your son. If money and material things have meant anything to me as they mean to you, I would have been richer and wealthier than you are. But I have come to realize that all that glitters is not gold. Please, I can't accept this.
So, what do you want? What do you want?
I want freedom and opportunity. Freedom to be in the arms of the man I love. And the opportunity to share with him his pain and his joy. His laughter and cries. That is all I want.
Freedom? So my son is the only man you can experiment with, isn't it?
There can never be another man for me like him. Besides, I am not experimenting on him. The love I have for him is true and it's endless.
Why don't you go for your size? Why don't you take the money and go away? Why don't you go away? Rakia! Rakia! Rakia!
Ebanisa no be pia. Huh? Obi bo. Obi amo. Meaning someone gets an away sudden. Me give you a chill and say one away. Never be bad who Rakia suspect before.
Ask her. Why don't you ask that Rakia girl of yours?
Or see when I say about the same. No, I didn't know so teacher before me. I didn't know so here we will see a fine. The party of Yammy Mamma to me, Tommy. What we want. Will be torn on your Rakia one and I want you now. Sal Rakia living a man. Me Pato, Miss Rowan, giving Papa Sama. Rakia. Will be Boana. Sorry, Uncle.
And where do you think you are going?
Let's go.
Where do you think you are going? You are not taking her anywhere.
Ma!
You are not going. I will not allow you to take her away.
Ma!
I will not.
Me Pato. Miss Rawada. Ma so, me pese.
So what are you going to do? Are you going to beat me?
And you know Rakia. Ma!
Miss Ma! Often. Make us shower one thing. Miss
And you very Papa now. Miss Rakia.
My part of forgot.
Rakia, let's move. Next time, for the right day, next time, you shall be or get me. But if you are there, me Papa will be me man will be today. Yet you will be at the end of 7. Can you have my life? Can you have my life? Bessie, come here. Bessie, no come here. Man, why?
This is serious. Oh my God, what am I going to do? Hey.
Bari manu na ho bio. Bari manu na sem. Gaskiya nake fada. Gaskiya. Maye gare ki. Bana son gan ka gan ka duk babin da aka yi maka. Sha ade da awaya ma osise ya no. Enya nyame na wa yi wo firi maame no na nsam sese yara. Echina uni me ade de maame no be ya ma wo. Punja Austin onko sam. Austin nyo onu nkora na oye ba ma wo ya hasi mu ha. Na wuntena wasi. Di kawai.
Mama, Austin is the only man for me. Oh, me, I don't know any man. Oh, me, I only live me.
Rakia,
Mama.
Rakia,
Mama.
Rakia. So now I like
Mama, me, I won't leave him alone. No, me, Mama, me, I won't leave him alone.
Walk in demon door Allah. Go back is so walking as so. Austin, ya judge than she. Kawai. One saw when it gadama. Kuma. Austin, ya tafiji than she. Kawai. See, na. Bana so when magana.
So, how soon do you want her to be flushed out?
Prepare to move. I will give you the signal as soon as time is right.
So, by what means do you want it to be executed? Is it going to be man clattering, accident, or by coincidental poisoning?
Let it be food poison. A gradual one. I will pay you the rest of your money into your accounts by tomorrow. But please, make sure nothing happens to my son. He's the only one I have.
You know I'm a professional. And I know how to execute my plans to perfection. That is why I'm called John the Bull.
I hope I can trust you.
For sure. In any case, I'll be waiting for final instructions for the next step to be taken. Alright. This meeting has come to a close.
Thank you.
Madam, so one lao kasa wunim sisi ara no se. Nkola no mianu no obetum wotena dia. Wallahi minisem bia de mi kan sisi a. So wunim se wun kona wun ba na wun ba ha me ne me ba no bio dia. Wallahi banda woni magana.
Mama House, you don't know where I'm coming from and my position in this case. And the class that we are in. You see, there are lots and lots of girls out there who are ready to grab men like my son and reap what they did not sow. I thought your daughter was one of them. You see, that's why I behave that way.
Wallahi, Diana Rakia. Ya ma titinu papa medinu fa krimu kwanu sunu min titinu Rakia oyo kola papa.
I see. In that case, you know, I think I want to move you out of here to a more decent place, you know, a place devoid of all this rubbish and things. Here is a check. Here's a check of 50 million cedis. Now take it. Listen to me. Tell your mother, I want you people to move out of here to a more decent place, you know. A place that will not be, that won't bring my dignity down. You understand? Especially when I am a wife of the former ambassador and minister. You need to move to a place that will befit your rank as my in-law.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Mama! Couldn't 50 million cedis.
Hey, Kudi! Hey, madam! Now go. Madam, thank you.
Okay,
Madam,
okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Ale Biabuka, thank you. Ale Baraka. Hey, Ale Baraka.
Oh, it's
hey,
okay. It's a pleasure.
Hey, Kudi Kena. Hey! Oh, my tanga. Ale Biabuka, thank you. Ale Sara Barka. Come in the Kasa Hanu Dunyanga. Ale Sara Barka. Allah, Mungode, hallelujah. Mungode, hallelujah. Allah, Mungode, hallelujah. Mungode, hallelujah. Allah.
So that you will not see all this.
Mona batunkudi na wo wucha ba ka ni tuo mona magana he mona batunkudi na wo wucha monzo musema ka tuo ba mu se ne so ka ni to die wo mi gina abante wucha mi to ba mu se ne tuo ba ni shashasha ya kana ni shashasha ba ni ne shashasha ba ni na ye yidie wo nsenanga ni shashasha da ke fadi mana ni shashasha rakia shashasha rakia Sasha, you let them fight the man and man. I stay Kinanga. You call me. I am good at Rakia, but we have even called Sasha. Madam,
why?
Why? Sisi ankwala de woba no won bo panyino mu biana oso woba tatuo mesi meka wasam wo ha onko maba ma no tuo no wonti ase sha banza kawai
please now I want to tell the truth to forget about everything that I've done to you, all the battles, the insults and everything. I've accepted you as my daughter-in-law. Yes. You will surely marry my son, okay?
Allah.
Yes, that is why I want you to move from here to a more more decent place, a place where you will not see all these things,
The ikum Allah kena.
Yes.
Allah. Yami waya kashi. Hey, God.
Please, I also want to use this opportunity to apologize for everything I've done against you. I mean, the inconveniences I've brought between you and your son. I want to say forgive me. I'm very sorry.
Yes, my dear.
Thank you.
Okay, so now the case is settled. We are one, isn't it?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Now, I want to ask permission to go. But there's one thing that I want to tell you. Just tell my son to come back home.
Oh.
Because I'm alone in that house and I need him.
Madam Wako. Indumere no, on baba no. Min kanchi no on ba fie. O baba wo. Sisi ala o baba no. Mi kanchi no baba fie. Thank you. Kwarai. Now go there. Hey. Dunia.
Thank you.
Dunia. Dunia. Hey. What shall I say unto the Lord?
It's okay, let's go.
What shall I say unto the Lord? All I have to say, hallelujah, mungo de hallelujah, I'm respecting you before my house. Come to my house.
Very soon you pack your things and come and live with me.
Hey, Allah. Hey, Allah, thank you. Allah, thank you.
It will be such a big wedding. As my husband was a minister and I was an ambassador, all the dignitaries will come.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
yes, yeah.
The big men and women in Ghana, they will all come.
Hey,
Allah,
Daddy,
are you going to dance?
Mama?
What's up? Mama?
Madam. Oh, haka.
What's it?
Yo,
catch so what's in the order? I told you only more. Mamma,
Rakia.
yeah, farmer,
madam.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
AGYA michiao.
Yaro na. Sanu da zuwa.
Tarika di.
Hey. Rakia na gida.
To.
Austin. Austin. Me mami wo baha o.
Me mami abaha.
Ha zo nan.
Obeye den.
Oh.
Ana obedi di watem.
Oh, dabi. U mami ni de wo ba no. Wakasa fine. Wakasa boko no. O si sisia no. O pese wo ni Rakia no. Kuzama tare. So say.
Ne Rakia o pese o kan ibo.
Wala.
Me mami bo dada.
Oh.
Sa aburo mpani pati.
U mami de wo ba no. Wakasa fa o si odo no de wo ma Rakia no. O pese won fa sa do no ama mini Rakia sisiala. Don si tabamu kudi wa ma yesika no. Harka 50 million.
Harka 50 million.
Wallahi.
What did that do?
Sisia do mami wo ye mutum kriki pa. Ama wase sisia no wo mbre fie. O pese onhunu.
Yo, AGYA, me hu Rakia ba.